Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a rule with an attachment on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, what we will do is now navigate to the top menu within Home. We are looking to create a rule. Click on Rules. If I were to, let's just say, create rule, we would then be able to duplicate the previous rule or pick up where we left off from. So let's now click on Cancel, go back to Rules, go to Edit Rules. We want to create a brand new rule. Click on the plus sign. Let's just call the rule name Attachment. Within the attachment rule, we will receive the email from the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. Let's type that in now. Double click on this to confirm that we are receiving the email from the Gmail account. Let's now click on the plus sign as we want to have an attachment, and now do the following. Move to Folder, Computer Science Videos. Now let's click on OK. So that rule itself has been created. Click on the X. Yes, we want to save the rule. That has now been created. Now let's minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, go to the top right hand corner where we have Gmail, click on this. We will now compose an email, click on Compose, increase the size of the email window. Before we do anything, let's now take a screen capture of a segment on the MacBook Pro, Command Shift and 4. We have now created a screen capture. Let's now quick preview. This will be used as part of the email, so we can now navigate back to our composed email. We will be sending this to the admin account, admin@computersciencevideos.com. Let's just say image. Within the email, let's just say, dear admin, please see the email. Please see the attachment. Kind regards from CSV. Now let's click on attachment. This will take us directly to the desktop. Click on this, open. And the image itself is being attached to the email itself. Let's now click on send. The message itself has been sent, so we can now quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, and the email itself should be within this folder for Computer Science Videos, as we have created a rule with an attachment that will be sent to that folder itself. So any second now, there we go. Click on this. Now we have an email with a rule that will send all emails with an attachment to the Computer Science Videos folder. Click on this image, and there we go. We can now quit preview. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.